Let's talk about seed oils. Seed oils are from canola, soy, corn. We often associate seed oils being supremely unhealthy for the body. Well, the literature is pretty nuanced. We actually don't know clearly about this. We know that often these seed oils are used in foods that are ultra processed or highly processed, and they're often fried. So we know fried foods, of course, associated with seed oils can definitely be on the more unhealthy side because they're not only increased fat, but often they're processed with salt and sugar. So salt and sugar along with fat, these are all bad combinations for cardiovascular health. So my recommendation is be mindful of the seed oils that you choose, be mindful of the processed foods that you choose, and think about this. When it comes to processed foods, there are minimally processed foods like frozen vegetables, for example, versus ultra-processed foods like tortilla chips and potato chips and fried foods. So be mindful of what you put in your body. As I tell everyone, if you eat it, you will wear it. Good luck. If this video was very helpful to you, and I hope it was, be sure to check out our other videos that will also help you to be healthy and fit.